Are you looking for the best way to make money from home? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been working from home full time for over 20 years now. Stick with me because in this video, I'm going to share what I have found to be the best way to make money from home. It's the simple home business I build and recommend. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. Making money from home can be one of the simplest things you've ever done if you're building the right business and if you have the right system to build it with. But unfortunately, too many people struggle to make real money from home. They end up jumping from business to business, hoping the next shiny object will be the one. Many times, it's not only that they just don't make much money, too often, they end up spending even more money than they make. They join businesses with expensive startup costs, big monthly billings, and waste money on lousy advertising strategies and marketing systems. They fail to get the training they need, or they do not work with a good mentor. It's no mystery why they fail. Now that you know what to look out for, let's talk about what I have found to be the best way to make money from home. It's a super simple home business that anyone can do, even first-time beginners. No previous experience is necessary. It's all done online. There are no phone calls to make. You can literally do this home business in just a few hours per week at your convenience. I even do it while I'm sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter. Our team will give you a high-converting sales funnel, the exact same one I use, but personalized for you for free. It's a complete marketing system with landing pages, sales pages that brand and promote you, even a library of emails to send out. It puts your business on autopilot. Again, no experience needed. We'll provide you with excellent training and support. Best of all, I will be your personal mentor and coach. And no, that's not idle sales talk. I make more money by helping you have massive success. You will be able to call, text, or message me anytime you need help. Nothing will be left to chance. Trust me, nothing can do more to ensure your success. You can take advantage of my decades of experience and take the fast track to success. All you have to do is copy what works. You will finally be able to make serious money from home, and you can make money fast. Many people make money their very first day, and we make recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. Wouldn't you love to get paid months from now for what you do today? Worry not, this business is super affordable. Money will not be an obstacle. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of overpriced stuff every month just to qualify to get paid. I really hate that. To learn more about the best way to make money from home, go to my website at easymoneypath.com or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.